Yes.
Now we are going to discuss type 2. So type 2 is what? It's very easy. Suppose you have to add 99 plus 99. Okay. So you don't have to add 9999. Just you know this. 9 plus 9 is what? Tell me 9 plus 9.
18.
So this is always be 18. So the first value will be 18, but for the next value, because of the carry, it will become 19. Simple. Right?
Yes.
Now look at the same thing here. There is a 3 9. So because you know there is a 3 9, so 9 plus 9 is 18. So first value will be 18. This is also 18, this is also 18. But because there is a carry here, so this will become 19. Right? So I'm writing 9 and one carry over here again. So this is 9 and in the list last time 1. So answer is 1 9. Other method is what? The second method is also very interesting. Just add plus 1. So this will become a 1000. And if you are going to add plus 1, this is also become 1000. So now you know 1000 plus 1000 is 2000. Very easy.
Yes.
And after subtract 2. Why this I am subtracting 2? Because I added plus 1 and plus 1 in both the answers. So that is the reason I am subtracting 2. And you will get same number 1999. Okay. Let's take one more example. Suppose there is a 9, 9, 9, 9. There is a 4, 9. Okay. And you are adding 9, 9, 9, 9. So what I can do? I know that 9 plus 9 is 18. So the first value will be 18 and the rest of the value will be 9. Why? Because all this is going to give the carry.
We have to
And the
add
last is 1. So this is easy. We don't have to add any. Now, if there is a one more 9 here, now what I can do? I know that all these value are
18.
27, 27, 27. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 9, 27. So what I'm going to do, because I know carry will be 2, 2, 2 always, and this is 27, so I'm writing 7, and then 9, 9, 9, 2. Why 999? Because this is also 27, but because this 2 is carry, so this will become 29. Again 2 is carry, so this 27 will become a 29. This 27 will become a 29. And in the last, there will be 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This rule is applicable for any kind of number. Like look at this. I'm writing 5, 9, 5. And if you are going to use the previous old method, it will take a lot of time because always you are going to add 9 plus 9 because you know 18. Why should I write down every time 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9? I know 9 plus 9 is 18. And because of this carry, this will become 19. This also become a 19. This also become a 19. This also become a 19. And at last, we can write down 19 only. Or you can write down 1. Easy. Okay. Similarly, if there is a 2 9 only, 3 9 only, and here is the 4 9, then what we can do now? Still, whatever the value we have, like this is 9 plus 9, so I'm writing it. Now this is 9, this is 9, and because one carry is here, so this will become 9 plus 1, 10.
So
9 plus 1, 10. Easy. So the rule is, if there is a 2 9, then write down 9 9. First value will be 8. And if there is a 1 9, then write down 0, write down 0, write down 1. Simple. So the rule is again same. Last value will be 1, first value will be 8. And whatever the 9 is, you write down 9. And if there is a single line, put down 0, 0, and you got the answer. Just write down this question. It will help you to understand the concept. Take one more example. Then you have to give me the answer of this question. Give me the answer of this question. Actually, the same question. If you are going to add 9 here, this will become the same question.
10,998.
Good. So if you are going to use the same method, you don't have to add all these values like 999 and 99. What I can do, because there is a 1 9, so I'm writing 10. And this is 9, this is it. Simple. Because whatever in the center, you just have to write now. I'm not adding anything. Do you think I'm adding here anything?
No.
Simple. Again, do this 9999, 49, and there is only 2 9, not 3 9. Earlier we have a 3 9. Now I have only 2 now. So now what I am to do? This is 1, 0, 0. This is 9. This is 8. Because I know that if there is a 9 9 single line, I have to write down 0, 0. This 9 9 is 9, and this 9 9 is 18. So carry over 9. So this is 19. Let's take one more example. 9 9 9 9. Now tell me the answer.
7, 9,
7 9.
8,
18, 18 plus 2, 20, 0. Because this will give you a carry 2. So 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. And 9 plus 2?
11.
9, 9, 9, 9.
20,000. 20,997.
So the answer is 20,997.
997.
Very good. Correct. In this way, you can do the addition of nines very easy. Okay.